Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the controller firmware is current and you're signed into your Xbox profile. This prevents pairing or chat errors. Once done, connect your headset or confirm Connect Audio so party voice routes correctly. Next, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then navigate directly to parties and chats. This first action creates the party environment. Proceed immediately to create a new party, rather than joining public chat rooms for consistent control. Once in parties and chats, create a party and choose Invite only to keep audio exclusive. Privacy avoids random joiners and ensures stable latency. Make sure Party Chat is enabled and that the Xbox recognizes your headset as the input and output device. Verify in audio settings if needed. Then invite friends by gamertag or use recent players to add people quickly. Doing these steps in order guarantees everyone uses the same voice channel and avoids split audio between game and chat. To finish, confirm audio levels and microphone permissions for each participant so voices are balanced during the session. If someone can't hear or the party disconnects, first power cycle the controller by holding the Xbox button for 6 seconds and then repair. That clears transient Bluetooth or firmware glitches. If problems persist, reboot the console and verify NAT type is open and firmware is current. These final checks resolve most issues and keep your party stable for uninterrupted gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.